Hi, welcome everyone. Today we are going to cover the pandas, one of the most useful feature of Python. So, for that thing, we are going to use our platform as Google Colab. Google Colab has all the pre-built and pre-decretized functionality for all the languages and all the modules. You don't need to get anything from outside. It has each and everything. Plus, in addition, it also provides the 100 gigabytes of space for the without any subscription. So you can have the idea like what happens if we get subscribed by them. We will have so many lots and lots of features. So for use of pandas, we need to import the pandas like by getting the statement import pandas as any name. I already gave VP. We are going to have two different files. You will get why we have two files in the next few minutes in video. So we are going to read that file, call that file by using read CSV, store in my data frame. See, step to display the first 5 rows. To display the first 5 rows, we have head method. So your data frame dot head method. See first file. Step 3 assign proper column names. This is the original file here and it does not have any column names. We provide them. We will provide, and as you can see here it has the column names. Step 4, what we have to do, we have to use this file, but the twist is we need to have our name and our student ID on first row. So for that, this is the original file and this is converted file. See my name, I have did that thing in numbers as I am using Mac. Number is like built-in functionality and work like Excel, but some of the things are different in that. Okay, let's come to the main. We reload that file. See test1. Display the data types. For that we are use the types. Step 7, select column value in two ways. First, that thing, and second, both of things are totally same, no difference at all, but the key difference are in the back end side. This is for a specific reason and this is for each and every step you can use. See, I already mentioned that here. Step 8, check data types. For that, for specific column value, it has, oh, who cares, when it's have value you will have numeric as well, but in some cases some using A00, so alphanumeric, but we have only numeric. Step 9, fetching zip code column. How? We have stored in mydf, we are using list and dot head for what? For displaying. See the result. Step 10, create a new series brand. We don't have brand. How we gonna create that? By using machine type and zip code. By using string concatenation method. We combine them, create a new one. See, brand. Step 11, create a new series total. So multiply by range and value. Range multiply by value and you have total. As you can see, total. Step 12, so it has like explain method differences. Head for first 5 rows. Describe all the things, but describe without this parenthesis. It just give you some instruction but not result, the desired result that you are looking for. My shape, my df.shape. Let's see what it provide. The structure of our file like 950 rows, total records dataset and 6 columns. Step 13, describe method for non-numeric columns. Non-numeric columns means the machine type, the zip code, and the brand. Step 14, rename ID. We have renamed ID to my ID, but there is a twist. These things temporarily change. It means it's not gonna affect these things over here. This is temporary change, and this is permanent change. Still not going getting here. I don't know why, but you cannot have idea by that. So you see, we change ID to my ID permanently. So display column names. Well, you will have all the things here, because when I was testing, I am getting error in that parts because it says the brand and the total, the columns we have we have discovered afterwards, which is not in the record. So the file was not able to recognize those columns because those are the like temporary changes, but we make them permanent by changing name and all the stuffs. See, column names. Okay, we got error here again. Total. Why? Let's run these things again. See, that was the runtime error. Now we have to change the name as well. We have changed the names. So it was not updated by me. I have just run through all the codes, but not having the what happens in the actual cell. That's why that happened. I hope you will have all the like importance of why we have these things here. Step 19, permanently delete brand and total columns. Let's get rid of the things with that which we not liked. Step 20, delete row 3 and 5 permanently. As you can see, 3 and 5 are not in the set. Step 21, sort value column. Sort value columns means in the ascending order. First it was descending order, or I can say it was like normally the way the data was entered by at a time, but we have like from small to big numbers, ascending order. Step 22, sort entire data frame by value. What does it mean by value? So the data frame is updated with rows offered by the value column, but the third column's data stay line with the sorted rows. All the changes are based on the value column. See how it gonna work. Step 23, sort data frame by value in place. So my df sort underscore value, sort data frame values in place. This code is actually what it's doing. So it sorts the value column in original data frame by using in place equal to true. So it make the change permanently by using this in place equal to true. 24, sort by range, ascending, then value and descending. So my df sort values by range. By using range, on the basis of range, it change the value to ascending. See the result here. It first part of the code sort the data frame by first by the range column in the ascending order, and then value. To for range it will have ascending, but for the value it has descending. You know what I mean? Range, the lower value, the bigger value, the lower value, the bigger value. ascending, descending. True equal to yes and false equal to no. You will have all the things by default the way it was. Strat 25 filter rows with range between 250 to 350. What does it mean by filter? Filter is it filtering by on the basis of range between 250 to 350. So it will have only the data that has the range between 250 to 350. It's like the specific comment specific. It needs some specific data between. If I say I get data between 1999 to 2001, so like specified, as you can see, by using and. So it needs the data 250 between 250 and between 350. If it will use or, then it would have different function. If it would have different output. Sort filter rows. So first we get data. Now we have to sort in ascending order again. Step 27, display the specific columns for filter rows. We need the data again 250 between 250 to 350. But for which thing? But for which column? For ID and value. And unfortunately this thing is not in ascending order, so you won't totally understand at first, but when you see 250 to 350, because it does not have, but you can see from here ID value, ID 5802630. Strange. First 5 rows of, oh no, that thing not, but we could have this thing. ID and value. And let's see over here. We were looking for 20 20 20 20 20. See, 20 is, as you can see, 20 ID 20, and it's has the range 299. So yeah, we got the output. Yeah, we are right, because it has the range 290. Let me show you again. 299, which is more than 250 and between 350. Okay. Step 28, display the rows where range between 250 to 350 and machine type each has. Again, between 250 to 350, but the machine type should be or must be H. See, you will have all the things here. But this is in descending method, not ascending. Step 20, display the rows where machine type is H, R or X. It was only H, but we have already again added R and X because it was requirement. Step 30, display numeric columns. We have displayed the number. Numeric means what? We just only need numbers. numeric columns. Number, we only take number. In this code, it will filter out the select only numeric columns. Data frame, display the first 5 rows of the assigned columns. Display numeric number. So that's how the pandas in 13 steps. Basically, we have noticed all the things, but especially we got the head function, the range, the lock function. That are and the sort function that are totally we got totally repeat those things and those features again and again because those are like basic and most useful feature, must and most. So okay, so that's all from my side as a Python. If you have any question, then let me know, and if you don't understand from my side, you can just have some extra resources to get yourself knowledgeable. Thank you.